In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under legal aspect of business. We're going to focus on the subtopic sales of good arts, and we have about 16 to 18 questions to practice with. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the implied provision in every sale of goods as contained in the sales of goods act of 1893 are conditions and warranties. Option A are the right answer. Next question, where A proposed to act as agent for B without having authority. The type of agency that came into existence is ratification. Option A. Okay, next question. A bus driver operating between Lagos and Jos paid the owner's credit in Benin in order to have the engine repaired and the bill sent to the owner. This is a case of agency by esoper, agency by ratification, the creditor agency by necessity. The right answer is option D, agency by necessity. Next question. It says an agent employed to sell goods delivered to him by the principal is referred to as a factor. Option B. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Is invoice. Option C. Next question. The major parties to an agency relationship are the principal and the creditor, the bailee and the bailor, principal and the agent, shareholder and the creditor. The right answer is option C, principal and the agent. Next question is this one. It says a type of capital which has been actually received in cash is known as paid up capital. Option A. Next question. It says where A proposed to act as agent for B. So this is a question. The right answer is option C, ratification. Next question. The law by which a seller transfers the property in goods to a buyer at an agreed price is the Trade Description Act, Weights and Measure Act, Sale of Goods Act, Food and Drugs Act. The right answer is option C, Sale of Goods Act. Next question. The particular goods that are identified and agreed upon at the time of contract is known as existing goods, future goods, uncertain goods, specific goods. The right answer is option D, specific goods. Okay, next question. It says the implied provision in every sale of goods as contained in sales of goods act are conditions and warranties. Option C. This is a repeated question. Next one. The right to retain possession of goods until the contract price is paid is referred to as a lien. Option A is the right answer, guys. Take note. Next question. An agent who has to sell perishable goods without the prior authority of the owner becomes an agent by necessity. Option A. Okay, next question. An agency contract must involve a principal and a consumer. The right answer is option D, a principal and the agent, an agent. Okay, option D. Next question. An agent who takes title to goods and has authority to buy and sell on behalf of another is a factor. Option C. Okay, the next question is one. It says a person engaged for the purpose of bringing his principal and a third party into a contractual relation is an agent. Option B. Last question for end this video is this one. It says goods are of merchantable quality if they conform to description of equal weight, conform to buyer's purpose, care of the same quality. Right answer is option C, if they conform to buyer's purpose. So guys, this is basically the problems involving legal aspects of business. We look to focus on subtopic sales of good arts. Our practice about 16 to 18 questions. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on the video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button and get the proof information I help you to sell business exams like JAMB and other exams we write. Okay, so having done this, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.